Ana kuya para muhayag. Ha?
Let's start with the grade 9 thoughtful with their advisor, Mrs. Rona May M. Teves. Aparicio Joliza Jean C. with honors, service awardee, class beaver awardee, star performer, third place news writing during the district school's press conference, and active band member awardee. Bailin Erica Jane O. with honors, perfect and attendance awardee, service awardee. Bailin Princess Bressel N. with honors, service awardee, class beaver awardee, star performer, SSLG award as grade 9 representative, active band member, active Girl Scout awardee. Dabalos Liza Kim B. with honors, perfect and attendance awardee, service awardee, class beaver awardee, most diligent learner, star performer, third place, pagsulat ng balitang pag-agham during the school's district press conference, active Girl Scout award. Labandero 21 with honors, perfect and attendance awardee, service awardee, class leadership awardee, model student, class beaver awardee, best in science, best in performing arts, active band member award. Salon Ira Kate with honors, service awardee, class beaver awardee. Teves Marco 30M with honors, perfect and attendance awardee, service awardee, star performer, SSLG awardee, leadership award as the auditor. Fifth place, sports writing contest during the district school's press conference, active band member, active Boy Scout. Requesting the proud parents of our learners to please join them here in front to wear on them their medals. Okay, let's Hello. Okay, congratulations to our academic excellence awardees. Now let us have the second set of awards from grade 9 thoughtful. Babia Alvin T, recipient of the Service Award, Active Boy Scout awardee. Bersabal John Steven A, Service awardee, Active Boy Scout, outstanding performance in sports for Sipak Takraw during the Unit 1 meet at the Magsaysay District. Imbudo Junrey, Service awardee, Active Boy Scout. Maestrado John Patrick D, Service awardee, Active Band member, Active Boy Scout. Marianas Prince Joros. Novero Mark Ivan C, Service awardee, Active Boy Scout award. Warquez Joshua R, Active Band member, outstanding performance in sports in Sipak Takraw during the Unit 1 meet at Magsaysay District. Gonzales Marcelita, Service awardee, Active Girl Scout awardee. Ofema Cheryl Den N, Service Service Awardee, Most Improved Learner, Active Band Member, Active Girl Scout Awardee. Requesting the parents of our awardees to please come up on stage. Okay, please move closer for our pictorial. Okay, let's give a big round of applause to all the awardees from grade 9 Thoughtful as well as to their proud parents. Now let us have the awarding of awards to the grade 9 Trustworthy awardees under the advisory of Mrs. Shelo P. Bilandres. Gadugdog Althea Babes and with high honors, perfect and attendance awardee, service awardee, class leadership awardee, star performer, best in Filipino, best in English, best in mathematics, best in Araling Panlipunan, best in TLE, best in music, best in visual arts. Second place, pagsulat ng editorial during the District Schools Press Conference. Third place, pagwawasto ng CP at pag-uulo ng balita during the District Schools Press Conference. First place, Likhawitan Songwriting and Composition Contest during the District Festival of Talents. Division finalist, Likhawitan Songwriting and Composition Contest in the Division Festival of Talents. Babia Mary Joy D. with honors, service award, most diligent learner, star performer, active Girl Scout. Bagaipo Rowena A. Service Award, Star Performer Award. Bogahod Esmer with honors, Perfect Attendance Award, Service Award, Model Student. Fifth place, pagsulat ng lathalain in the District Schools Press Conference. Active Girl Scout Award. Kabutahe Edmarian Jean N. with honors, Service Award, Star Performer Award, Active Girl Scout Award, Active Band Member. Flores Ronel Jr. N. with honors, Service Award, Star Performer Award, Active Band Member Award. Valiente Angelito A. with honors, Perfect and Attendance Award, Service Award, Star Performer Award, Active Boy Scout Award, Outstanding Performance in Sports and Sipak Takraw during the Unit 1 meet at Magsaysay District. Requesting the parents of our awardees to please come up here on stage to give or to wear the medals to our children. Okay, forward gamay. Okay, let's pose for a picture. Okay, picture please. 1, 2, 3. Let's give a big round of applause to our Academic Excellence awardees. Here are the second set of awardees from grade 9 Trustworthy. Almasin Seth Hercules, Dagairag Steven Dave V. Service Award, Active Boy Scout Award. Dalito Vicmar E. Service Award, Active Band Member Award. Franco Benjo L. Service Award. Papdore Jasper, Service Award. Bloom Macban. Saligumba Melbert Jr. D. Perfect in Attendance Award, Service Award. Class Beaver Award, Active Boy Scout. Suway Bagyo John Vincent D, Service Award, Active Band Member Award, Active Boy Scout Award. Abaktulan Rhea May S, Service Award, Class Beaver Award. Lomalang Nash Nicole S, Service Award, Class Beaver Award, Most Improved Learner Award. Requesting the parents of our awardees to please join them here on stage.
Clear! Clear! Magsahayan na ta? Ba nakahatag si Flense mo sa 200? Nakahatag si 200. Nadubli na ko. Ipulipid din na ako ako nagbili na lang.
Ako na ito i-contra.
Kaya ako mag-check pa nila.